all the components of the computer require that the voltage that reaches them stay within margins to avoid damage due to an overvoltage in the electrical circuit coming from the outlet. But how does the surge protector work? Tinsel? Although it may seem, the voltage that runs through the power grid is everything less stable. Generally, for the 230V network, this voltage can range from 195V to 253V, according to current regulations, and electrical appliances are prepared to deal with this type of oscillations in the voltage of the network. These oscillations are normal in all electricity transmission networks, due to the very nature of the alternating current and its transmission wave. But, in reality, the great enemy of electronic components are not variations in the voltage that reaches them. The great enemy is the voltage that accompanies this voltage. An example of this is, every time the light goes out, just when it returns it is accompanied by a huge rise in the amperage of the current line. This rise can be as important as frying the internal components of our appliances. The function of the protector against voltage surges is to stop this situation if it is produced, being able to do it in two ways. Fuses. Many surge protectors have an integrated fuse, which is tiered for a certain intensity. When the current that runs through the electric circuit reaches a certain value, the fuse melts and, obviously, does not allow the electric current to reach the components. Derivation. Other overvoltage protectors, what they do is to derive the electrical current that exceeds certain parameters to the grounding of the plug to which they are connected. In this way, the connected components are protected. Very broadly speaking, the surge protector works like the general switch in the light box of a house. The difference between the two is that the house is tiered for a much higher amperage than that for which the protector is usually tiered. It should also be made clear that not all the strips used in houses incorporate a protector against voltage surges. While it is true that there are many that incorporate it as standard, not all carry it.